Hello everybody, it's Miss Taylor again. This is my second video I am making for you guys. This video obviously is for Amy, Johnny, Oliver, and Donna. I miss you guys. Like before, make sure you pause the video when I tell you to pause so you can either write things down or say them out loud. This lesson is all about food, my favorite. I love food. And we were working on this when we were in school. So this will be something you should already know and review. So food, and remember when I say the word, you repeat it. Breakfast. Now breakfast, we know we eat in the morning. So we have cereal and eggs. Lunch. This is a sandwich and a carrot. Now lunch we eat in the afternoon. Dinner. For dinner, they have chicken and pasta, my favorite. And dinner we eat at night. Snack. A snack is a smaller food that we can eat throughout the day. So maybe we have a snack after lunch, but before dinner, you might have a snack. And a snack could be apples or fruit, like bananas, strawberries, chips, like Doritos. Not that healthy, but that could be a snack. And cookies is a sweeter snack, as also unhealthy, but I like cookies. And last is drinks. Drinks could be anything that you're drinking for the day. Milk you might drink in the morning for breakfast. That looks like water. And I would say maybe since it's orange, it could be orange juice. Or maybe soda. Read and listen to the story, look at the pictures, and see if you can name the vocabulary. Food. Today, we are going to learn all about different, delicioso, food. For breakfast, we love to eat hot eggs and cereal. I also drink a big glass of cold milk. For lunch, my mom made me a sandwich and a crunchy carrot. I also drank orange juice. That's right, that was orange juice. In the afternoon, I eat a snack. A juicy apple is a healthy snack. Chips and cookies are an unhealthy snack. I also drink 2 glasses of water. For dinner, we are eating chicken and pasta with sauce. That sounds delicious. After dinner, we like to have a sweet ice cream treat. My favorite flavor is chocolate. What is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, cookies and cream, Oreo. It's my favorite. Now, adjectives are words that we use to describe things. We can use adjectives to describe food. We can describe the taste. Is it sweet or salty? Size, big, small, or colors, yellow, purple, blue. Numbers, and you guys know that them. So here are some examples of adjectives. You could have sweet food, like a donut. A donut is sweet. You could have salty food. Chips are salty. Ice cream is cold, right? It's also cold and sweet. You could also have food that is crunchy, like an apple, or juicy, it has a lot of water, like an orange. And then you could have food or drinks that are hot, temperature-wise, hot. They might burn your mouth. We know our sizes, so I'm not going to spend too much time. We know big, small, short, tall. We also know our numbers. I'm not going to go over this, but you take a moment to pause and review if you need to and think and say it out loud. Colors, you know your colors. Okay, now we're going to talk about some conversation practice, and I'm going to read these little bubbles from these characters. It says, "Yum, look at all this delicious fruit. Which one is your favorite? Can you guess my favorite? I like the green fruit that is crunchy and juicy. Which fruit do you think she's talking about?" Good, if you peeked, you probably peeked, but let's keep reading. It says, "I think your favorite is the apple." Yes, I love to eat green apples. And let me look, here they are. There are the green and red apples. What is your favorite food? Now, this is a question we've been answering when we were in school, and you guys were very good at answering this question and asking this question. So still practice at home with your parents, your mom or your dad. You can say, "My favorite food is," and describe it, and then someone could guess. So I will show you to practice. My favorite food, and I'm going to use this picture to help you, is red, red, crunchy, and sweet. Can you guess my favorite food in this picture? Yes, it is the red apple. Okay, so now it's a little bit of practice activities. You are going to write the word under each picture. Or if you're not writing right now, you're going to point to which picture goes with what words. So you will have to pause the video. We have this picture, this one, and this one. And down here we have snacks, breakfast, drinks. Pause the video and point to which picture goes with what words. Okay, you should have stopped the video. If you haven't do that now. Here are the answers. Snacks, breakfast, drinks. Very good, moving on. All right, go ahead and match the words with the pictures. So think, which one is lunch? Which one is just food in general, or just food? And which one would be dinner, something we would eat at night? Pause or stop the video. Okay, here are your answers. Lunch, you had a sandwich and carrot. Dinner, it looks like chicken and pasta. And then this is just food altogether in general. It's fish, broccoli, and an orange. All right, so now this is pretty fun. What do you like to eat? Drag the food onto the plate that you like to eat for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and a snack. This PowerPoint is going to be in Schoology if you'd like to do this activity there. You would drag, so for example, milk, I would probably drink at breakfast. Carrots, I might eat around lunchtime or actually I might eat carrots as a snack. And then for dinner, I do not like fish. You guys already know that. I would probably eat pasta. And for lunch, I guess I would have, oh, I like cheese. Cheese. There's no crackers, but I would like cheese, or maybe a sandwich for lunch. Next activity, can you guess the food? Read the adjectives that describe the hidden food. Type your guess, then move the square to see if you are right. So, I'm going to read number 1 and then you are going to try to write the answer. This food is cold and sweet. You can eat it for dessert. Go ahead and write the answer now. Stop the video. Okay, so it could either be milk, carrot, chips, or ice cream. You should have gotten ice cream. Very good. Go ahead and move on to numbers 2, 3, and 4. Stop the video and go ahead and write your answers. Okay, so for number 2, we have this food is crunchy and salty. It is an unhealthy snack. The answer is chips. Very good. Number 3, this food is crunchy and orange. It is a vegetable. Is it milk, carrot, chips, or ice cream? Should have guessed carrots. Very good. This is a drink. It is white and comes from cows. It's the last one, so you should have gotten milk. Very good. Now for this activity, you're going to have to pause. Tell me about what kind of food you like to eat. What food is special to your culture or your family? What is your favorite food to eat? Write about it below. You can use the sentence stem to help you. My favorite food to eat is, and you can use any of these options or the options in the video earlier, because it is delicious. This food is special to my culture because. Pause the video or stop so you can write. Okay, you should have wrote something down for that response. Now, quick review. Circle the food you might eat for breakfast. Pasta, fruit, or eggs. Stop the video and write it down. For the answer, I would eat eggs. I would also eat eggs and fruit for breakfast. Next one. Question 2. Circle the food you might eat for lunch. Stop the video and write it down. Chips, sandwich, or fish. The food I might eat for lunch is a sandwich and chips. Question 3. Circle the food you might eat for dinner. Pause the video. The food I might eat for dinner is rice and chicken. Question 4. Fill in the blank. For breakfast, I poured cold blank into my cereal. Stop the video. And there is your answer. I only have 10 seconds left in the video, so bye everybody and thank you for watching. I miss you guys and have a great week.